Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2019 Toyota Corolla. This is the SE with the upgrade package. It's in the Galactic Aqua Mica exterior with the black soft tags with the fabric inserts interior. It's a 5-passenger, 4-door, small size sedan. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto up and down on the driver's side, power locks. Driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. Power adjustable exterior mirrors. Has a heated steering wheel, windshield wiper de-icer. The steering wheel is leather wrapped and tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. There's Toyota Safety Sense, which includes the auto high beams. And there's dynamic radar cruise control, pre-collision system with the pedestrian detection, and the lane departure alert. These are the shortcut buttons to your 4.2-inch multi-information display screen. So you have your fuel economy there, range, eco indicator, sway warning, so a coffee cup will appear if you've been driving for too long and start swaying. It's dynamic radar cruise control, and lane departure alert. Any messages like an oil change. These are the settings and sensitivity for the lane departure alert and the pre-collision system. It's digital clock, makes that easy to change the time. 6.1-inch touchscreen display with a 6-speaker audio system, has AM, FM radio, CD player, it's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible. And this is where your backup camera is. Auto climate control, including rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors, air conditioning. This is your temp, your fan speed, and your different modes. Then below the dash, 12-volt accessory outlet, high and low settings for the heated front seats, USB and auxiliary port, the CVT transmission with the manual mode. There's paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Traction control, sport mode, which enhances the acceleration. You get the glove box with a tray. Review mirror, your interior lights, and then the settings for the power sunroof. They're 17-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks, has keyless entry, a combined fuel economy rating of 7.6 liters per 100 kilometers. The upgrade package gets the rear disc, has a chrome exhaust tip, there's a trunk release on the key fob. You get 2 sets of mats, one for the summer, one for the winter. And the back seat has a 60-40 split. There's power windows, cup holders in the doors, pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Got side curtain airbags, totaling 8 airbags for the Corolla. Anchor points for the child car seats. And they get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are power adjustable, heated, with the signal integrated lamps. Has an automatic LED headlight system. It's a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine with 132 horsepower and 128 pounds of torque. Come see our lineup of our new 2019 Toyota Corollas at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.